Hi, Stanley here. Just had a couple of requests from tutors on how to get resources into Bramble into their notebook. So I thought I'd do a short video just to go through some of the things that you can do. Okay, so first thing, I've got Bramble open. Now, some of you already found this out, that if you click on the import button here and you try and put some resources in, if you pick a resource which is quite a large file, like an A4 file, it'll put the whole page into Bramble and shrink it down and make it hard to see. So you don't want to do that if you can avoid it, because it's too small for the students to look at. So you're going to need to sort of do a couple of little tricks or cheats to get resources on. I'm going to take a print lesson because it's set to be A4, and I'm going to chop it down. I've got the resource open already in my PDF viewer. I've played around with the view, so I've just fitted it on the screen quite nicely like that. I don't want anything else, I just want that bit. What you're looking for is a bit of software on your computer called the snipping tool. Now if you've got Windows, it's part of Windows, it has been for years, it's often hidden though. It's been on the Mac as well. So I'm going to click down on my Windows icon in the bottom corner, or hit the Windows key on your keyboard. Up pops your menu. I'm going to start typing snip, so S-N-I-P, and snip and sketch will pop up there. That's replacing the snipping tool. You may have one of these or the other one. They work in pretty much the same way. So I'm going to click on snip and sketch. That pops up here, and then what I'm going to do is click on new, and I'm going to drag to snapshot that bit of screen. With that now grabbed, just make that slightly bigger so you can see what I'm doing. With that grabbed, I've got two choices. I can click on the save, and I can save that as a screenshot, as a JPEG or as a PNG file. I'm going to save it as a JPEG. I'm going to call it quiz 1 just to make life easy for myself, and click save. That's in my maths temp folder. Okay, so I've clicked save. Back in Bramble, I can click on the plus, I can share from device. I've already got this folder open. There's the quiz JPEG. I'll click on open. That'll take that image and put it into my page like that. Now the thing to be aware of is that you may want to add a bit more white space, because you do get this at the bottom, but you can always shrink that down. So there we go, there's my image that I want to use in one of my sessions. A slightly more involved way is to pre-prepare a number of pages in advance using PowerPoint. So I've got a PowerPoint file open here where I've already done this on 3 pages. I'll do it on another page as well. So we'll open up this. Let's find another page. Here we go, let's have that page there. I need to get my snipping tool back because I closed it, so I'm going to go to snip. Quick tip, right click on snip and sketch and do pin to taskbar. I've got it pinned already so it says unpin, but do pin to taskbar, and that puts it down the bottom. You can always have it there when you want it. So there's my snip and sketch. I'm going to click on new. I'm going to screen grab that. Now it should automatically copy it to your clipboard. If it doesn't, click on the icon of the 2 bits of paper over there, copy. Go back to PowerPoint, and I'm going to right click and paste. There we go. Okay, Control V would work just as well. So I've now got 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. I can set up other things in my page as well. These are each of the pages in my notebook that I want to go into Bramble. If I click on File, I can do Save as Adobe PDF. You say yes. So I'll call it Test Presentation and click Save. That's the PowerPoint thing. It's going to now do Test Presentation PDF. Let's do Save there. So if I minimize that down, I've now got a PDF file called Test Presentation. If I go into Bramble and I click on that plus and I do From Device, I've just got to find Test Presentation PDF, which is there. It'll scan the PDF and it should give me 1, 2, 3, 4 pages already set up. Okay, hope you found that tip useful. I'll do more tips down the line. Anything you want me to show you, please shout, either comment here or email me. Please get in touch and I'll do some more. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.